Oh my god, finally aku bisa ketemu dengan kalian semuanya.
Hello, Queen lovers. Welcome to the Grand Final of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Dari Goodrich Suites Art Hotel Portfolio, acara ini dibawa oleh Yayasan Dunia Mega Bintang. Dan untuk informasi Anda bahwa acara ini sudah memenuhi standar kesehatan seperti yang dianjurkan oleh pemerintah. Well, my name is Gino. I'll be delighted to be your host tonight. It's an honor for me to be part of this. I can tell it's such a long journey for everyone here. Dan malam ini, finally, kita sampai di final dari Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 tahun ini pertama kali dibawa Yayasan Dunia Mega Bintang dan langsung dibina oleh sosok Ivan Gunawan sebagai National Director of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Dan kalau kita bicara tujuan malam ini adalah mencari sosok perempuan yang inspiratif, punya wawasan yang luas, dan tentunya nanti mampu merepresentasikan sosok perempuan Indonesia di ajang Miss Grand International 2020. Dan kita tahu rangkaian acara sebenarnya sudah dimulai sejak Maret 2020. Namun kita tahu pandemi COVID-19 merubah segala lini kehidupan. Dan kami pun Yayasan Dunia Mega Bintang berusaha keras untuk mentaati pemerintah tentunya dengan segala standar protokol kesehatan dan juga social distancing. Dan malam ini, sebelum saya mengajak Anda untuk get to know more about our queens, saya akan coba untuk kenalan dulu. I got some judges here, right in front of me, dan beberapa wajahnya sudah tidak asing. Langsung kita kenalan dulu with our panels of judges for tonight. The first judge is National Director of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, the one and only Indonesian Pride, Mr. Ivan Gunawan. Next judge is an artist, singer, an entrepreneur, Mrs. Sorwenda. Thank you. And next judge is inspiring businesswoman, Mrs. Junita Lisa. Beautiful. Next, second runner-up, Miss Grand International 2018, representing MS Glow Beauty, Miss Nadia Purwoko. Good to see you, Nadia. Next, Queen Lovers, we got celebrities dentist, Dr. Gigi Devialinda. And Director of YT Utama Putra, Mr. Arif Budiman. Last but not least, an artist and also a choreographer, Mr. Ari Tulan. Luar biasa. Nanti judges ini akan menentukan siapa kira-kira pemenang dari Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Dan kalau bicara bantuan, luar biasa tahun ini. Kami dibantu banyak sekali pihak. And this event is fully supported by Alright, Queen Lovers, and for those who are watching right now, the time has come. Dan menggunakan rangkaian produk cat eyeliner pen waterproof dari Ivan Gunawan Cosmetic. Without any hesitation, let's meet all the queens of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020.
Aprilia, Miss Grand Indonesia. Jasmine Rowe, Miss Grand Indonesia. Jessica Lagu, Miss Grand Indonesia. Karisma Aura, Miss Grand Indonesia. Nadia Ingrida, Miss Grand Indonesia.
All right. These are our queens for tonight, Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Semuanya, they look very stunning with bright colors. And I can tell, ladies and gentlemen, queen lovers, the heat is rising right here tonight. Baik, dan pada questions and answer section malam ini, saya akan mengajak mereka untuk berbincang tentunya dengan pertanyaan dari Dewan Juri. Masing-masing akan meng-pick satu card yang berisi nama Dewan Juri di sini, di fishbowl ini, dan akan mendapat pertanyaan sesuai nama yang dipilih. Are you ready, queens? Looking gorgeous as always. Okay, queen lovers, let's roll our questions and answer section for tonight. We begin with Bella Aprilia. Apa kabar?
Hi, I'm good.
Ca Ayu ya?
Yeah.
Okay, Bella, your turn, go on. Yeah.
Dr. Devia Linda.
All right. This is the question for Dr. Gigi Devia Linda.
Yeah.
Okay. You ready?
Ready?
I bet you can nail it, no problem.
Amin.
Pasti bisa.
Okay.
Beauty Queen Contest adalah perlombaan untuk mencari seorang role model, bukan supermodel. Pendapat Bella tentang ini?
Terima kasih. Saya percaya dengan bahwasanya sebagai seorang supermodel itu tidak bisa menjadi role model. Karena sejatinya semua orang bisa menjadi role model, baik itu dari dirinya sendiri maupun orang lain. Tinggal bagaimana kita bisa menginspirasi khalayak banyak dengan berbagai hal-hal yang positif, seperti contohnya yaitu kita bisa membantu teman-teman yang membutuhkan dan itu bisa bermanfaat bagi orang lain juga. Terima kasih.
Baik Bella, thank you very much for the beautiful answer. Setiap orang bisa menjadi role model, nggak harus menjadi seorang beauty queen or even supermodel. Thank you Bella. Alright, queen lovers. Next stop is my favorite color. I guess she's on fire tonight. I'm calling Jasmine Rowe. Beautiful red. Is this your favorite one, color?
It's my favorite color.
So are you on fire tonight?
I hope so. I do
Anyway,
really hope so.
you are very towering.
I get that a lot.
Okay, you don't mind, yeah, to stand beside me, right?
Of course not, of course.
All right. Please pick your judge to answer the questions.
Ibu Junita Lesar.
Can I have it? Yes. Ibu Jenita. Okay, this one is pertanyaan dari Ibu Jenita.
Okay.
Jasmine, menurut kamu, Apa peran gender sebagai wanita dalam membantu pemerintah di masa pandemi COVID-19?
Thank you for the question. COVID-19 is a very new instance within our society today. It's not every day that we get hit with a worldwide pandemic. But we must find our way to cope with it. As citizens of the world, we must come together to help one another. It is not to be forgotten, this is also the government's first time in dealing with a crisis like this, but they are taking action one step at a time. And as women, it is our right to be calm, poised, and positive so that those around us feel safe and are able to keep their well-being in their best interest. Thank you.
All right, Jasmine. Well done. Thank you so much for your beautiful answer, Queen Lovers. Jasmine Rawi. Next, I'm calling Jessica Lagu. Bright yellow, like a sunshine. Go on. Apa kabar?
Kabar baik. Gimana kabar ya, Kak?
Luar biasa. Long journey tapi kita tetap semangat ya.
Yeah, of
Just
course.
go on, take your time.
Ivan Gunawan.
Aduh, ini langsung dari National Director of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, Mr. Ivan Gunawan. The question is, ya, ini ada pepatah berkata, distance means so little when life means so much. Ini dari Amit Kalantri. Bagaimana Jessica memaknainya?
Terima kasih. Saya menyikapi filosofi tersebut dengan keadaan kondisi pandemi COVID-19 saat ini, di mana kita dianjurkan pemerintah untuk tetap di rumah saja. Namun, bukan berarti kita tidak dapat berkomunikasi dengan keluarga bahkan kerabat kita. Maka dari itu, saya mengambil kesimpulan bahwa jarak tidak membuat kita jauh, so that distance means nothing. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much Jessica. Jarak nggak ada apa-apanya ya, selama kita memaknai hidup tadi dengan cinta juga. Take your time. Luar biasa, Queen Lovers. This is Jessica Lagu. Alright. Next stop is Karisma Aura. Karisma, looking gorgeous in purple. Apa kabar Karisma?
Alhamdulillah baik.
Luar biasa. Exhale, inhale.
Sure.
Ya, seperti biasa, towering lagi. I'm a bit shy ya. Oke, go on, silakan.
Nadia Purwoko.
Oke, boleh saya ambil. Ini dari Queen Nadia. Ya, cantik sekali Queen Nadia malam ini. Oke, pertanyaannya. Apa menurut kamu permasalahan terbesar yang dihadapi oleh generasi muda saat ini? Silakan.
Menurut saya, masalah yang terjadi di dalam generasi muda saat ini adalah penemuan jati diri. Karena dengan mudahnya kita mengakses informasi sehingga tidak tahu apa yang kita inginkan dan menimbulkan keraguan di dalam menjalaninya. Dan dengan instannya kita mendapatkan hal tersebut tidak dapat menghambat kita dalam proses improvisasi di kehidupan ini. Oleh karena itu, saya selalu menghargai setiap proses di kehidupan yang saya jalani untuk mengatasi masalah tersebut. Terima kasih.
Luar biasa. Karisma Aura, terima kasih. Good luck on your journey with Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Queen Lovers, this is Karisma Aura. Alright, we got last spot here. Tanpa panjang lebar, Nadia Ingrida. Nadia, finally, it's been like, long journey ya buat semuanya.
Yes, it's been a long journey.
And it's been tough days for everyone lately, tapi kita harus tetap kuat dan optimis, right?
Hard work, yeah.
Oke, silakan. Dari siapa kira-kira? Jurinya malam ini.
Dari Sarwenda Tan.
Alright, ini pertanyaan dari Kak Sarwenda yang tentunya malam ini luar biasa tampilannya. Oke, Nadia,
Ya.
here's a question for you. Ini kamu pasti bisa jawab, gampang sekali. Jika kamu mempunyai kesempatan untuk memberikan sepatah kata atau nasihat seperti itu kepada diri kamu yang lebih muda, apa yang ingin kamu katakan, Nadia?
I will tell myself to trust the process. As a younger, I used to be afraid of failure. But failure teaches us so much. One step back and 2 steps forward. I am here, I am ready, and I am better than ever. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much for your beautiful answer. Nadia Ingrida, Queen Lovers, melengkapi sesi questions and answer for this round. And I do believe for those who are watching now, you got your own favorite. Kira-kira siapa yang akan terpilih menjadi Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Tapi nanti karena kita masih punya beberapa segmen dan segmen selanjutnya ini tidak kalah menarik karena mereka akan mencoba menyuarakan pendapat mereka tentang current issue. So we are about to know what are their thoughts about what happening lately right now across the country, across the world. Untuk itu, we'll be right back. This is Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 from Goodrich Sweets, our hotel portfolio.
Hi, I'm Bella Apriliasan, but you can simply call me Bella. I'm 23 years old. I'm from Jember, East Java, but I've been living in Surabaya for 5 years. Okay, so basically my mom itu yang nerjunin aku di dunia fashion sejak aku umur 13, which is itu waktu aku SMP. Jadi memorable moment aku ketika pertama kali aku ikut lomba fashion, itu aku inget banget pas di tengah alun-alun kota Jember, yang itu gede banget panggungnya, tinggi, dan itu benar-benar di kota alun-alun, bayangin segede apa. Jadi selama pandemi kemarin pas kita di-postpone, itu Bella di rumah aja bener-bener cuman baking cake.
Hi, I'm Jasmine Callista Rowe, but you can call me Jazz. I was born in Jakarta and I also grew up here. I started modeling when I was 14 years old, and I was lucky enough to be able to travel overseas with it, and I also got to work with some cool brands while I'm away. And I decided to join Miss Grand Indonesia because I like the fact that pageantry is a lot more than just a runway. It's not only about walking the walk, it's also about talking the talk. You gotta have the beauty, the brains, and the attitude. My female icon would have to be my mom. It's a really obvious female icon because she's like a really evident part of my life. She's always there for me, and she's basically taught me how to be the woman I am today. She's been there since I was a baby, and she's helped me grow, into the person I am today, and I'm really grateful for that. And I think that she juggles her life really well, and she has a really balanced life between working and being a careered woman, but also spending enough time to make sure that her kids develop into, hopefully, proper women and men.
Hai, aku Jessica Lagu. Aku lahir di Makassar, Sulawesi Selatan, dan aku besar di Sumba, salah satu kabupaten terindah yang ada di Nusa Tenggara Timur. Satu fakta tentang diri aku sangat dekat dengan papa aku. Aku punya ikatan batin yang sangat dekat dengan papa yang gak dimiliki sama mama. Aku punya cerita menarik. Waktu pertama kali aku pindah dari Sumba ke Jakarta, aku sempat jatuh sakit, aku demam, dan ternyata papa aku juga merasakan hal yang sama. Dari kecil, aku suka banget nyanyi. Kata mama, aku tuh suka nyanyi lagu-lagu yang bahkan aku nggak tahu liriknya. Dan kata mama, dari situ mama mulai ngasah kemampuan aku dengan nyanyi di gereja. Dan aku baru sadar ternyata itu hidden talent aku. Aku sangat terinspirasi dengan Bunda Teresa. Aku ingat sekali ketika ada quotes dari Bunda Teresa yang mengatakan bahwa jika kamu menghakimi orang, kamu tidak akan punya waktu untuk mencintai mereka.
Welcome back to the Grand Final of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Selama masa karantina, para queens telah mendapatkan pelatihan public speaking oleh Miti Piris dan juga intensive training how to make a good speech statement oleh Januar Cahyo Saputro. Dan di segmen ini, para queens akan menyuarakan pendapat mereka tentang current issues. So we are about to know what are their thoughts about current issues across the world. So Queen Lovers, Let's invite them back to the stage.
The irony happened recently. A racism happened. People down the street to speak out what they have to fight for zero discrimination among us. I believe the simplest reason is because we couldn't respect about the differences of every human being and hard to give highly appreciate for our diversity. As I was born at Jember, a small city at East Java, where I felt some happiness and peace there. It becomes a fundamental principle that always become my direction to live harmony as human. That is my belief is Pandalungan. Pandalungan is a local symbol that is reflect to our pride, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means the symbol of peace among diversity. The symbol of no barriers for us, for no matter our race, skin tones, culture, or even tribe. The combination of the cultures and high tolerance in Jember. I'm Bella Aprilia, the finalist of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. I would like to spread love and tolerance with my principle Pandalungan as our motto for live together with peace, so there's no more fights and conflict in our beautiful world. I believe local area like Jember Moto can be an example for Indonesia. Pandalungan and Bhinneka Tunggal Ika can hand in hand to build love, peace, and compassion for better Indonesian society. Thank you.
War. War does not necessarily need to have a vast philosophical meaning as brutally correlated to guns, violence, or even assault. War can be closer to us than we think. War can be internal. We are all facing our own personal battles. But then we question, what war are we facing collectively, and what is there to do moving forward? I want you to put yourselves in your very own shoes. I want you to think about how this pandemic has affected you. Do you feel trapped, scared, lonely, anxious, sad, angry? Do you want your normal life back? We all do. And that's why we are all in this war together. In order to move forward, we must become more inclined to the advancements of society. We must incorporate technological practices into our daily lives more and more, and we must work on countering our own personal battles. And as Jasmine Callista Rowe, as a finalist of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, but most importantly, as a woman standing as a representative of our country, Indonesia, I want to use my voice to spread awareness and make a difference, to promote self-growth and improvement, so that together, Indonesia can move with its right foot forward in stopping our wars, both internally and externally. Thank you.
Thousands of women and children all over the world, especially in Indonesia, experience violence and sexual abuse of human trafficking. This happens because their lack of education. They are easily manipulated by the human traffickers, who makes them lose their hopes and dreams. I strongly believe that education is not just a process to filling an empty container, but is also the process to burning fire in our heart. As a finalist of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, I am encouraging and inviting all of Indonesian women, especially the children, to always have hopes in their heart, never give up, and work on opportunizing their skills. I'm very positive that violence will not have any place in this world if all of us will use our feelings, insight, and minds that can only be achieved if we have an education. I believe that the whole purpose of education is to turn mirrors into windows. Thank you.
everything comes from us. Peace starts with us. There's a lot of things can make us feeling ungrateful in this life. Have you ever think, when is the last time you say sorry? Have you accepting yourself? Why are we always see what people have and why we want to have it? A lot of questions crossing in our mind can make us do something bad. Jealousy is the bad thing who can hook you to the negativity in life. Let us be grateful with our life, accept the flaws because we all have it. Let's be kind to ourselves. Let's be the one who have positive mind, wise, tolerance, and accept differences. I am sure that Miss Grand Indonesia can be the platform for me to inspire and spread goodness and to tell everyone that it is important to be yourself and be self-love. I am Charisma Aura. I can say that peace can start with me, you, and us. Let's living in harmony together to reach peacefully life what we want to be. So that's why peace start with us. Thank you.
I am privileged, as most of you here are also privileged. Blessed because we can think about tomorrow, because we can plan our future. Unfortunately, for many people, that is not the case. Survival is the priority. War tears homes apart, forcing people to leave their homeland. These people become refugees in a foreign country, a country like Indonesia, where they cannot work and cannot go to a formal school. As I volunteer and teach in a refugee learning academy here in Jakarta for the past 2 years, I've met many people from the community. The pain that war causes is real. You can see it in the way they carry themselves, heartbreakingly, in the way they teach their children about survival. As a finalist of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, I believe that basic human rights is to feel safe. And we can all contribute by spreading compassion instead of hate. Accept those who are different than you and be kind. For everyone we meet is facing a harder battle. Thank you.
Alright, Queen Lovers. Setelah tadi kita bersama-sama menyaksikan sesi speech dan sebelumnya ada Q&A section, I do believe for those who are watching right now, I bet you got your own favorite. I got my own and I guess the judges got their own as well. Dan don't go anywhere first because we are about to witness our queens in evening gown and of course, crowning moment. We'll be right back.
Hello, I'm Karisma Aura. I'm professional model since I was 14 years old. And I love reading books, especially about self-improvement. And my most favorite author is Yuval. Keluargaku sangat support atas perjalanan karir aku selama ini. Dan waktu itu aku masih sekolah, dan sekolahnya itu di Majalengka. Dan ketika aku mendapatkan pekerjaan yang harus berangkat ke Jakarta, my family selalu mengantar aku. My female icon, definitely my mom. Karena dia adalah sebuah pendorong yang besar untuk aku mewujudkan mimpi-mimpi aku. Dia juga adalah orang yang sangat mensupport aku selama ini. Dan aku sangat bersyukur memiliki mama sampai saat ini. Thank you, Mom, for your support.
I'm Nadia. I was born in Surabaya, and I studied in Surabaya first, and then I studied architecture here in Jakarta for 4 years, and I graduated in 2016. I studied architecture here in Jakarta in Bina Nusantara University for 4 years, and I decided to study architecture because of my mom, but also I believe that learning something like design, aku tuh juga sebenarnya suka banget sama martial arts. Jadi pertama aku belajar Muay Thai, terus habis 5 tahun aku belajar Muay Thai, terus aku interested to learn Krav Maga. My female icon is Malala Yousafzai, and I hope to be like in a way like her through my volunteering. Semoga dalam suatu cara itu aku bisa menjadi seperti dia, biarpun mungkin dengan cara aku sendiri.
Alright, welcome back Queen Lovers. Kita tahu, di masa pandemi COVID-19, menggunakan masker adalah suatu keniscayaan. And my question, and probably your question too, how to look good in both wearing mask and evening gown. I got the answer already. Yes, karena Ivan Gunawan mempersembahkan koleksi masker yang elegan dan evening gown dengan cita rasa yang tinggi. Dan kita akan saksikan parade our queens menggunakan masker dan evening gown dari Ivan Gunawan latest collection. Yes, welcome back. Dan sepertinya judges telah menentukan siapa pemenang di Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Namun sebelumnya, Queen Lovers, saya ingin mengajak Anda untuk mengenal lebih dekat mahkota The World of Victory yang didesain langsung oleh Ivan Gunawan in collaboration with YT Utama Putra. Take a look.
Tantangan terbesar dalam hidup saya di saat saya merancang mahkota Miss Grand Indonesia. World of Victory melambangkan kemenangan Indonesia untuk dunia. Bertabur bintang yang akan menjadi cahaya sebuah harapan. Wujudkan mimpi menjadi nyata.
Alright, Queen Lovers, dan sesaat lagi kita akan menemukan pemenang dari Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 dan saya sudah ada amplopnya di sini. Kira-kira siapa saja yang akan mendapat, ada beberapa title dan tentunya nanti Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Baik. Kita mulai dengan Miss Congeniality atau persahabatan, Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 goes to Are you ready, Queens? The heat is real right here, Queen Lovers. Kira-kira siapa yang akan mendapatkan Miss Congeniality? Goes to Jasmine Roy. Congratulations, Jasmine. Akan mendapatkan hadiah persembahan dari BNT Tour and Travel. Saya panggilkan juri kita, Mr. Ari Tulang, untuk menyematkan syas kepada pemenang gelar Miss Congeniality. Selamat sekali lagi untuk Jasmine Roy. You've tried your best and this is your best effort. Selamat untuk Miss Congeniality-nya di Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Dan ini disematkan langsung oleh juri kita, Ari Tulang. Congratulations once again. Bangga sekali punya Jasmine malam ini. Thank you, Jasmine. Baik, selamat untuk Jasmine untuk Miss Congeniality. Next one is Miss Photogenic Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Kira-kira siapa? Karena ini akan mendapatkan hadiah dari Roseville Soho and Suite. So Queen Lovers, Miss Photogenic Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 goes to, alright, Jessica Lagu. Selamat Jessica untuk Miss Photogenic, dan kami persilakan untuk Ibu Junita Lisar untuk menyematkan cash kepada pemenang Miss Photogenic Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Sekali lagi, selamat untuk Jessica Lagu untuk title-nya, yaitu Miss Photogenic Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Terima kasih untuk segala kerja kerasnya. It's been I know it's not easy road, long journey for each of you. Congratulations once again for this Miss Photogenic Miss Grand Indonesia 2020, Jessica Lagu. Terima kasih Ibu Junita Lizar untuk menyematkan chest tadi. Congratulations, Queens. Luar biasa. Alright. We still have one more title. This one is Miss Glowing Skin yang akan mendapatkan hadiah dari MS Glow Aesthetic Clinic. Kira-kira pemenangnya siapa? Queen lovers? Louder? I can't hear you. All right. Queen lovers. Miss Glowing Skin goes to Nadia Ingrida. Saya panggilkan mewakili MS Glow Aesthetic Clinic, Nadia Purwoko, untuk menyematkan syas kepada pemenang Miss Glowing Skin, Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Congrats Nadia Ingrida atas title barunya yaitu Miss Glowing Skin dan mendapatkan hadiah dari MS Glow Aesthetic Clinic. Dan langsung disematkan syasnya dari Nadia Purwoko. Selamat untuk kerja kerasnya. Dan tentunya kami bangga sekali memiliki Queens yang punya dedikasi dan mampu menginspirasi dan tentunya wawasan yang luas menjadi role model untuk wanita Indonesia. Terima kasih Nadia Purwoko dan juga congrats Nadia Ingrida for this title. And this is the moment that we've been waiting for. Sudah berdiri di depan kita semua. Two last standing of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. All right. I know this is not an easy road. I can tell it's a bit bumpy. But what matters most is that we are here for the final. And we're here about to reveal the new Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Sesaat lagi kita akan melihat siapa yang terpilih menjadi Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 yang tentunya akan mewakili Indonesia di ajang Miss Grand International 2020. Kita saksikan bersama National Director Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 telah memegang mahkota World of Victory. Dan siapapun yang akan mengenakan ini nantinya akan berhak merepresentasikan sosok wanita Indonesia di ajang Miss Grand International 2020. Queen lovers, as I told you, it has been a long journey, yes. But what matters most is that we are here for the final and to find out the new Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Are you ready, Queen lovers? Kita saksikan bersama momen yang sangat emosional. Dan Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 is Karisma Aura. Selamat Karisma Aura. Anda adalah Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Dan dengan demikian Bella Aprilia adalah first runner up Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Alright. Ivan Gunawan menyematkan mahkota World of Victory to our new queen of Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Kami persilakan Bapak Arif Budiman untuk menyematkan syas Miss Grand Indonesia kepada pemenang kita, Karisma Aura. Dan hadiah untuk Miss Grand Indonesia 2020 dipersembahkan oleh YT Utama Putra. Alright, sekali lagi, Queen Lovers, inilah Miss Grand Indonesia 2020. Alright, Queen Lovers, this is the end of the show. Selamat sekali lagi untuk Queens dan juga Yayasan Dunia Mega Bintang, Ivan Gunawan and tim. Congratulations. Dan tentunya selamat menginspirasi untuk para Queens. Kita ketemu di tahun depan. Juno is signing out. Have a good time. Bye bye, God bless you.